Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Zoom to Otter AI in 2026. If you want Otter AI to automatically record your Zoom meetings, generate live transcripts, and create AI meeting notes, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Otter AI account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on your profile or settings to access your account options. Next, look for the Integrations or Apps section and select Zoom from the list of available integrations. Click the Connect button to begin the setup. Now you'll be redirected to the Zoom authorization page. Sign in to your Zoom account if you're not already logged in, then review the permissions that Otter AI requests. Next, click Authorize or Allow to give Otter AI permission to access your Zoom meetings. This allows Otter AI to join supported meetings, record conversations, and generate transcripts automatically. Once the connection is complete, return to your Otter AI dashboard and confirm that your Zoom account is listed as connected. Now, if available on your account, enable Otter NoteTaker so it can automatically join your scheduled Zoom meetings and create live transcripts and AI-generated meeting summaries. Next, schedule or start a Zoom meeting and verify that Otter AI joins the meeting correctly. During the meeting, it will record the conversation and generate notes in real time. Finally, after the meeting ends, open the conversation in your Otter AI dashboard to review the transcript, edit any mistakes, and share or export the meeting notes if needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Zoom to Otter AI step by step. You can now automate meeting transcription and save time with AI-powered notes. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.